A construction worker died, while 2 others survived when a crane at an MRT construction site in Jalan Jinjang collapsed late last night. One of the victims reportedly fell while 2 others, aged 24 and 38, trapped inside the collapsed crane when it slid and crashed at the construction site. Kuala Lumpur Fire and Rescue Department Director Hirudin Rahman said the victim who died at the scene was identified as 41 years old Firdaus Taib. He said the Fire and Rescue Department deployed its rescuers from the Sri Hartamas and Hang Tuah stations upon being alerted over the incident at 11:49 p.m.